So let's get started. Hey friends, my name is Saloni and I'm a CA final aspirant. But if I talk about my days when I was struggling a lot in CA intermediate audit, so what a simple strategy I follow while sorry for the disturbance, but what a simple strategy I tried to clear my CA inter audit with score 59 out of 100. So I was not that much good in audit because I don't like to retain so much thing and try to learn, crave, and such things are beyond my interest. So I was not good at all, and I even did not refer any classes. So my approach was self study only. The resources which I use for my preparation as CA intermediate, that is the strictly study material. For CA final, I'm not suggesting you to refer only study material, but when I was at the CA intermediate, I try to recall each and everything from the institute material only because at that time I was much familiar with that with the help of revisionary video altogether with that. So I was not fond of any resource that period. So that was the only reason that why I refer CA study material. The free resources including the revisionary video of CA Deepika Rathi ma'am. So I strictly follow. I used to pick up one chapter with the study material and I used to watch CA Deepika Rathi ma'am video which are freely available on the YouTube itself. And whatever she taught in her class, obviously, the same sequence is being followed by the her revisionary video are also in the same sequence of the study material topic. So it is very convenient for me to follow the same. And I used to mark each and everything in the study material itself, whatever she taught in the classrooms, whatever chord she used to give. Suppose she used to जैसे कि वो टर्नओवर की लिमिट्स लर्न करा रही थी 1 1 10 या फिर जैसे कि पेड ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल कितना है, तो वो she used to recall the things in a very funny way, just like the person turn किया and then 50 पैसा मांगा ऐसा. तो ऐसे करके बहुत सारी चीजें जो है हमारे फिंगर टिप्स पे लर्न हो जाती है. तो व्हाट इंस्टीट्यूट वांट फ्रॉम अस ऑब्वियसली द कीवर्ड्स एंड द मोस्ट जो भी रेलेवेंट पार्ट्स हैं हम वो रिप्रेजेंट करें तो वी विल बी. एंड अगर हम ये सारा सब कुछ लर्न हो रहा है, हम सीक्वेंस में चल रहे हैं, हमारा पूरा कंसंट्रेशन है, हमें इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है, तो अल्टीमेटली आवर गोल विल बी रीच और वी कैन से अकम्प्लिश और मर्ज विद इंस्टीट्यूट गाइडेंस. जैसे कि हमें सब हम रीड करें तो ऑटोमेटिकली कंसेप्ट्स तो ब्रश हो जाएंगे और कुछ चीजें जो हमें लर्न करना होता है वो भी सारा लर्न हो जाएगा. तो विद दैट थॉट, मतलब व्हेन आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग at the CA intermediate audit, and from that I got 59 with just a self study approach with just revisionary videos and free resources, and I'm adding it further so that whoever is feeling stuck in audit or suffering from lot of audit, so they can use, and you just pick one chapter, try to cover each and everything from that chapter, and very small chapter को try to cover the same, because when I used to watch जो बड़े बड़े चैप्टर्स थे वो इतने कवर नहीं हो पाए थे और रिवीजन नहीं हो पाया था. एंड आई इवन मतलब आई स्टिल रिमेंबर कि मेरा पूरा पेपर जो है वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया था. दैट्स व्हाई मेरा स्कोर थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं पीछे रह गया, बिकॉज आई नो मोर कंटेंट व्हेन आई एक्चुअली क्लियर माय ग्रुप 2 इन दैट अटेम्प्ट. So hope that will be worthwhile for you because a lot of students struggle in audit itself. I know CA final audit भी मुझे अभी भी struggle सी लग रही है, but at least I can add these things because whoever is struggling at this stage, so they can come out of it. And when I find some resources for final as well, then I will try to recollect that as well. So till bye from my sides and prepare yourself all the level best. Okay.